Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today we are going to do lesson 2 for Watermelon Sugar by Harry Styles. So in lesson 1, I showed you more of the version of the song that they play on the CD. This is the way I would play it if I was performing it live and singing it, because it just allows me to worry more about looking forward at the audience and not worry about where my hand is on the guitar. It's a lot more finger moving and a lot less hand moving around the guitar neck. So we're going to go over that, but first, click subscribe below if you like my videos and to find out more about the videos I have coming out soon. I've got a whole list coming out. I'm going to do some Halloween videos starting in end of September. So check those out. Gonna do a lot of classical pieces as well as some of the songs that we associate every year with Halloween. So be looking for that. Also, you can get the free music to go along with this video, and that's totally free, but you can also sign up for group lessons and private lessons with me, and it includes more resources than you get in the free lessons. If you have something that you'd like to learn from me, then leave that in the comments below and just let me know how you're doing. If you enjoyed the lesson, leave that below. If you didn't enjoy the lesson, leave that below. I'd love to hear from you. All right, guys, let's get started. So for these, we're going to do all of these open chords up top. So we're going to start out with a D minor. Then we're going to go to an A minor. And I'm playing an A minor 7 actually right there. And then a C. And then end on a G. Alright, so let's go over those again. And I'll show you how I'm playing them and things like that. So for the D minor, I've got my first finger on the first fret of the high E string, my second finger on the second fret of the G string, and my third or fourth. Sometimes I kind of alternate between these, so it's up to you how you like to play it. Right now I'm feeling my pinky. If it's easier for you to play it with your pinky, that's great. I use them both. But your third or fourth on the third fret of the B string. If you have a hard time playing things because you feel like your fingers are too big, using your pinky can really help with that. So it can help you keep your fingers off of those other strings so they're not making that extra noise. So if you have a problem with that, try your pinky, see if it works for you. Alright, so bottom 4 strings. One of the main things when you're playing these chords is you want to make sure you're playing the correct strings. If I just play all 6 strings, like I've said before, it just sounds like a mess. So bottom 4 strings for D minor. Alright, A minor 7, I'm just going to take my first, move it to the B string on the first fret. My second, move it to the D string on the second fret. And I'm going to play the bottom 5 strings. And the reason I am doing the A minor 7 instead of the full A minor is more for ease to move to the C, which is the next chord. So all I'm going to do to move from A minor 7 to the C is I'm going to take my third finger and put it on the third fret of the A string, and I still play the bottom 5. Alright, so let's go through them all again. D minor, bottom 4, A minor, 7, bottom 5, then C, bottom 5, then G. In G, we're going to do our first finger on the second fret, second finger on the third fret, third finger on the third fret of the B string, and then fourth finger on the fourth fret of the high E string. And my first finger is on the A string, and my second finger is on the low E string. And you play all 6. All right, so let's go through that rhythm. So D minor, And if you watch my other video, you know that I talked about lifting your fingers up. Since we're not playing a full bar chord, it's hard to get that stopping sound using just my hand. So I am lifting my fingers up to get that kind of stopping sound, but I'm also hitting the strings with this hand. So it's like, and then I put my hand down. Da, 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 da. So I'm basically coming up, and as I go down with my hand, I'm stopping the strings. So all of those strings you're hearing are upstrokes. So and then I go to A minor 7. So when I'm going down again, I'm stopping those strings. Then G. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. Really simple, really easy, really fast video, and you can play along with the tab at the end of this video. It will have me playing it like this. If you'd like to learn the other version, then check that video out. It will be at the end of this one, so you can click there. And I've got one more coming out after this one that will show you how to play that riff that happens in the second verse. Click that subscribe button, guys. Check out the tab after this, and see you next time.